G'day Australia, I'm Korum E. You might remember me from such DIY channels as Universalfuze.com. This is a new channel showcasing some amazing products. I actually sold my business Universalfuze.com and Audiocom a couple of years ago, but for a variety of strange reasons, I have ended up with a lot of my original stock from that business. So we're back into a DIY channel. This is a new channel to help you understand what these amazing products are capable of, what all of these products can do for you, and how you can use them to plug and play and enhance your vehicle electronics lifestyle. So I thought I was done with vehicle electronics, but turns out the universe had some other plans, and here we still are working to help you with great plug-and-play solutions and to offer you some more information on great products that are out there and available for upgrading your vehicle or boat or plane or whatever it is. We're working with a lot of mediums these days. Product we have on the pedestal today is the Hertz HMP 1D compact amplifier. Now the HMP 1D stands for one channel of D-class power. This is a subwoofer amplifier capable of putting out 600 watts RMS into a 2 ohm load, 300 watts RMS into a 4 ohm load. That's enough power to get a good quality sub moving quite well and give you good solid sound impact in a smaller cabin like a dual cab ute, single cab ute, a hatch. For sedans, you might want a little bit more power for a high intensity bass, but 300 to 600 watts RMS is still a fair bit. I have a van, I have a 300 watt RMS amplifier in the van, and it's all I need for amazing sub bass. So this paired with a suitable speaker is going to give you a really good subwoofer solution. Now these aren't as cheap as some 300 to 600 watt amplifiers out there, and there's a few good reasons for that. First of all, it's a very high quality product. Hertz is a top shelf product. It's very compact, and it comes with a sub bass controller, a remote bass controller. So if your audio source doesn't have remote bass output or a separate subwoofer audio volume control, you can manually and quickly adjust the subwoofer audio with the included controller on this. Now another key feature of this, apart from being ultra compact, it is all weather capable. All weather, not all weather, it's weather resistant. It's IP68 rated. So you can actually, it's splash proof, it's dust proof. It can be used in a hard working full drive, getting dust and sand and things like that. And if it's mounted down on the floor, it's not going to worry it as much as a typical amp, which is really highly susceptible to corrosion and the ingress of dust and sand and other particulates. Also, if you spill something on it, it's no big deal. This is happy. It is a marine rated product, which means you can also use it in your boat. It's going to stay safe in the boat too. It's splash and spray proof. You wouldn't submerge it. It's not a submarine, but you can wipe it, hose it. It's got that sort of capability to be protected. It means it's going to last much, much longer for you. So excellent bit of kit. Now we're approaching a bit of a different business model with this new channel as well. Instead of having a typical website like we're used to with all of the DIY links, we're simply reviewing products one by one, and I'm putting the direct link to purchase in the comments below. Sorry, not in the comments, in the description below. Now, if you have any questions or anything further you want to know about the product, simply put it in the product comments below. We don't have an email address, we don't have a mobile phone number, we don't have a landline number. We're literally running this whole business just on the YouTube channel and trying a bit of a new thing here. So if you're interested in this product, please click on the link below. If you've got any questions, please throw them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them in a timely fashion, but we don't have a lot of videos out there and a lot of comments coming in. So we get back to them when we can. But this is a fantastic bit of kit to power a good decent subwoofer in a lot of different vehicle situations, road, land or marine. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd like to see you here again soon, and I would like to show you more and more amazing products that are out there on the market to help enhance your lifestyle when driving or boating or flying or otherwise. See you again soon.